Hello folks, welcome back to Food is Good channel, and today we are going to teach you another homemade recipe or homemade ingredient, and that is butter. So we always go to market and buy Amul butter and all of that, but if you want another option, then you can follow this recipe and make butter at home. So the key ingredient is the fresh cream or the cream that we have collected over a period of time, and we keep it stored in the fridge and keep it very cold. So it is very important to have this cream cold. And to churn the butter, I have a churner, which is a Kilner jar, and this is easily available at Amazon. And if you are not sure where to get it, I'll leave a link for this in the description. And this helps you churn the butter easily instead of using your hand. So this is how it looks like. It is something like this: a jar, a glass jar, and this small churner here. Then you have to move it. So now what we are going to do is we are going to fill this jar with the cream, and then I'll show you how we're going to go about it. Okay guys, so we have filled our jar with the cream, not too much, half of jar we have filled it. Now another key tip from our side guys is when you make this, it should remain cold guys. So if it is hot outside, the best advice I can give you is take 2 or 3 ice cubes and add it to this so that it remains cold. And then we're going to close the jar and start the process. So what is going to happen is when we do this, gradually it will become a slow milky paste, and then again it will start to solidify. And you'll see once it solidifies, there will be some milk that will come aside or will be left. So I'll show you once we reach that stage. So keep on churning this jar guys. So it's been 3 or 4 minutes guys that we have been doing this, and now see how it has started becoming smooth now. And after some time again, then it will start solidifying, and I'll show you that stage also. Okay guys, so it has been another 5 minutes that we've been churning. Now it has become a little bit difficult to churn because now it is being getting solidified inside. So earlier when it was in a semi-liquid state, you could easily move. Now it is giving a little bit resistance, and if you see it's become how solid it has become. And when it becomes this solid, now it's the time that we should move and shift it to another bowl. So we're going to move it into bowl, and then we are going to wash it a little bit. I'll show you how you're going to do it. So let's first do one thing. We'll move all of this, take all of this ingredient and put it into the bowl. So it has been transferred, we have moved it from the jar into this, and you can see the milk has started separating. How we did it, we take this and we press it a little bit, and you can see the milk coming out, and press it. Once you press this enough and you feel good amount of milk has come out, we put it into another jar. And this way we keep on doing it for the whole of the butter that we are trying to make. So folks, we have put in the butter into another bowl, and the milk is back there. Do not throw this milk. We have another way of how you can utilize this milk. Take this milk, put it in a bowl, start boiling it, and after some time add 2 or 3 drops of lemon into it. It will curdle the milk, and that will become paneer, and then you can make paneer bhurji out of it. So no waste. So you can still use the milk. Now what you're going to do with this butter is we are going to add water to it, and we are going to wash this butter. So once we put water in it, we'll put water in it, and we'll wash it a little bit. And you will see this water still being white. So we'll wash it for 2 or 3 times, and every time we have to throw the water away. And once you reach a stage where this water appears to be clear and there is no more this white foggy thing appearing in the water, is when your butter is ready. So after washing it 2 or 3 times, the best way to wash it is under tap water. And now you see it has reached a stage where that whiteness has gone away. There is no more milk in it. So this is the One more time we'll wash it. We'll throw this water away. But now we have our butter ready. See that white smoggy thing has gone away. So or the white foggy thing has gone away. Now we'll throw this water and our butter is ready. So guys, we have removed all the water. Now see, it has reached its buttery stage. The butter is ready now. Now the milk that we have used to make this butter is cow milk. And cow milk, when you finally come to this stage, is naturally yellow. You can make this the same with buffalo milk also, but buffalo milk will remain white. If you want to have that feeling of Amul butter, at this stage you can add some haldi to it. But since we have this natural yellow coming from cow milk, we are just going to add some salt to it. Salt, some little bit of salt as per your taste, and mix it. Once you mix it, we are going to shift it into the container that we want to store our butter in. Now, another thing that I wanted to talk about is when you churn the butter, right? I have a churner that I use. If you do not have this churner at home, you can use a regular blender, and in a blender, it will become much more faster. Though it will undergo the same stages that I have shown you in this churner, in a blender, it will become much more faster. Now, when you're making butter, say you're making butter in the summer season, it's always best to wash whenever you're washing this butter with cold water. So this way it will remain good. So we have transferred the butter into the container that we need. So guys, we went ahead and made butter of rest of the cream that we had. We have now put it in container. We are just making it a little bit flat. See the yellow color. We already added salt to this, and now the only step is to keep it in fridge. So we'll keep it in fridge, and you'll see later as you keep it in fridge, in another half an hour or 1 hour, it will solidify and ready for use. So guys, thank you. If you like what you see today, please subscribe to the channel, press on the bell icon to receive future notifications. Have a great day.